I'm a car expert,
And I am not.
and today we're reviewing the
2022 Tesla Model 3. All right, first things first, it definitely looks like an electric car.
Yeah, it has very rounded edges, very sleek design that's really popular in EVs nowadays.
So how often do I have to charge it?
Well, this specific Tesla has a lithium ion phosphate battery pack that gets you 272 miles per charge, but you can upgrade to the long-range version, which has 358 miles per charge.
Okay, so the range can be a bit limiting if you're on a long trip. Don't know if I love that. But is it slower than gas-powered cars?
Quite the opposite. The standard model goes from 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds, the long-range model in 4.2 seconds, and get this, the performance model can go from 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Let's go check out the interior.
Now this just feels like the future. It's so minimal.
Yeah, that's right. Everything that you need is housed right here in the infotainment system.
So I can connect to Apple CarPlay on this?
Actually, no, you can't. There's no Apple CarPlay, no Android Auto, or radio features. Everything's completely wireless. But if you want to turn on the AC, check your speed, turn on some music, or even do some karaoke, all that can be done right here.
Wait, karaoke?
Yeah.
Can you give me a minute?
Sure.
I do like how this car drives though. I feel super in control of the car and it accelerates when I hit the gas pedal.
Yeah, the battery pack is located right below the cabin, so it gives it a low center of gravity and makes the handling a lot better. And because it's an EV, when you press the gas pedal, all the power is immediately transferred to the wheels because you don't need a transmission, so it accelerates quicker.
Well, maybe we shouldn't call it a gas pedal anymore.
Let's just talk about the legroom and cargo.
All right.
The driver's and passenger seats get a roomy 42.7 inches of legroom.
Yeah, but back here, it can get a bit cramped if you're not a child. And I like the armrest with cup holders. It's nice for those of us who like to stay hydrated.
Yeah, and if you do have kids, it's probably not feasible to fit 3 car seats in the back row.
And I'm obsessed with the dual sunroof. It's perfect for stargazing.
Yeah.
You know, if I wanted to take a trip, is there a lot of room for suitcases?
Well, let's enter the trunk.
Wait, how do I get out of here? Is there like a latch or?
Yeah, you just gotta press that button right there and the door will automatically open.
Wow, this really is the future.
Yeah. The great thing about the Model 3 and Teslas in general is the amount of cargo space that you have. With the rear seats down, you can fit up to 15 carry-on suitcases right in the trunk.
I don't believe that. This looks like a regular old cramped trunk.
Well, underneath the trunk's floor, you actually have additional cargo space, but if you run out of room back here, you can always frunk it.
Whoa, excuse you, this is a PG car review?
I said frunk, which is short for front trunk.
Well, oh my frunk. You know, I kind of want to jump in there, but I'm afraid I'm going to get locked in.
Well, you don't have to worry about that because on the inside of each trunk, there is an unlock lever, so you never have to worry about getting stuck inside.
Well, let's hope we never have to worry about that.
Exactly. Plus, with the adjustable trunk height feature, you can set a preset for how high you want your trunk to open.
Well, my apartment's parking garage ceilings are pretty low, so that's convenient for me.
Super. Overall, this car helps bring EVs into the mainstream, and with the vast supercharging network even expanding further, it's actually pretty easy to find a spot to charge. And it bills you directly through the app, so it's pretty convenient.
Yeah, and I really like how you can play games and hang out while the car is charging, but if you're in a rush, it could be a bit of a hassle.
Plus, with features like self-driving capabilities and software updates constantly coming out, you can see that this car gets better over time. The base model's MSRP is $46,990, the long-range models is $57,990, and the performance models is $62,990. On a 4-year loan term with a 10% down payment, you can expect to pay around $1,000 a month for the base model of this car, and that's not even including car insurance or maintenance costs. So, we linked to the...
Let me take this one. We linked to the Jerry app in the description where you can find great rates on car insurance, auto refinancing, and estimates on maintenance and repairs.
Wow, you learned something. I'm proud of you.
Thank you very much.
Jerry, the AllCar app that's got your back. Because we car.